Hello, I'm John Parker over here at Waxahachie Collision Center with Tom Carpenter. Hey Tom, how long have you been in the business? This is one of my estimators that's over here at the Collision Center.
I've been an estimator for about 19 years now.
So you know what you're doing? You know what to look for?
I'm ICAR certified, vehicle repairs, collision repairs.
You're going around this vehicle that just came in?
I'm checking this vehicle in, marking all the damage, what we're going to repair on it, what we're going to replace and repair both, and R&Is, basically mapping the vehicle and repairs.
Where's the damage on this vehicle?
Vehicle's got damage on the right side. What we're going to do is, it's got some light scratches on the left rear quarter. We're going to do some repairs on that, or the right rear quarter, we're going to do some repairs on that. The door is warped. We're going to replace this right side door the way it was impacted. The front door, we're going to look at replacing the skin on it. This reason we have it marked up this way. And this front fender will actually do a blend on it so the colors will match.
Well, good stuff, Tom.
Yeah.
Well, come see us over here at Waxahachie Auto Flex.
No problem.